A practical guide to building your own scavenger bag. In our need to survive SHTF situations, the importance of a well-equipped scavenger bag cannot be underestimated. So let's break down the essential items you're going to need to assemble your own kit. You're going to want to begin with a reliable backpack that's durable for organization. Your bag will focus on carrying personal items and equipment, while large foldable bags inside will serve better for collecting scavenged goods. Duffel bags are definitely an alternative, but they do lack the storage organization and the hands-free of a backpack. Binoculars are a very important tool for scouting and surveying your surroundings. Look for binoculars that have a neck strap so that you can free up your hands and it's always within easy reach. You will want a pair of bolt cutters. These are essential for dealing with barriers around essential items. Bolt cutters can definitely be a heavy-duty solution for challenging situations. A canteen to stay hydrated that you can sling over your shoulder or attach to your belt or backpack, or you can use a water bottle. Cordage include paracord for securing items or lashing them to your backpack. You will want to have some folded up heavy-duty garbage bags or linen bags for carrying scavenged items. A crowbar or a pry bar is going to be heavy but indispensable for breaking through barriers. A flashlight. To prepare for power outages and needing to go in dark spaces, carry a flashlight with spare batteries. A gas can. This is essential for collecting fuel from abandoned vehicles. A 5-gallon can should be sufficient. Obviously, you won't carry this in your bag, but if you have someone with you, they can carry it. A gas siphon pump is a must-have for extracting fuel directly from abandoned cars. A screwdriver can be used for many things, which I'm not going into detail on. You will need gloves to protect your hands from contaminants, sharp objects, or while handling fuel. You're going to need some goggles to shield your eyes in dusty areas and to maintain a level of anonymity if you need it. Hacksaws are versatile tools for cutting through various materials. You can also get folding versions to fit into your backpack. You'll want a handgun. This is to prioritize personal safety. You'll want a concealable handgun and some spare magazines. You may want to consider carrying a hatchet. It's a versatile tool for heavy-duty tasks and a potential self-defense weapon. You can free up your hands by wearing a headlamp, an alternative or addition to a flashlight. Carry both a fixed blade knife for durability and a folding knife for convenience. To start a fire quickly, bring a lighter with cotton balls and Vaseline for kindling. Carry some protein bars. They're portable and convenient for on the go, and they're easily stashed in your pocket. A Silcock key is essential for accessing water from buildings with tamper-resistant faucets. Carry a personal water filter and purification tablets for safe drinking on the go.